This is French Pastry 101 and today we're making crème légère or light pastry cream. My name is Sylvie, thanks for joining my baking journey. You probably know pastry cream and diplomat cream, well, crème légère sits right in the middle of both. Crème légère, meaning light cream in French, is made by combining pastry cream with whipped cream, but unlike diplomat cream, it doesn't contain any gelatin. So let's make it! We will start by infusing the milk with some fresh vanilla bean. Add the vanilla seed and pod to a saucepan filled with your milk. Bring to a simmer, then turn off the heat, cover with a lid, and leave to infuse for at least 20 minutes. While it is infusing, whisk together egg yolks and sugar in a heat-proof bowl. Add your cornstarch and whisk until thick. Remove the vanilla pod, but please don't throw it away. It can be washed and used to make vanilla extract or infuse sugar, for example. Slowly pour the warm milk over your egg mixture. Whisk well until fully combined, then pour the whole thing back into the saucepan. This step is called tempering and basically allows to slowly raise the temperature of the egg yolk so that they don't cook too quickly. Now turn on low heat and start slowly cooking your pastry cream. Keep whisking while it cooks so that the cream does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Continue until the mixture starts to thicken about 5 minutes. Ideally, use a thermometer to check the temperature of the custard. When it reaches 82 to 84 degrees, it's ready. Take it off the heat to stop the cooking. Now we're gonna transfer it into a shallow pan. This will help the pastry cream cool down more quickly and evenly than inside a bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap and press it down onto the surface of the cream so that a crust doesn't form at the top. Now put it in the fridge and let it cool and set for at least 2 to 3 hours or up to overnight. Once the pastry cream has chilled for a few hours, we're gonna start whipping the cream on medium to high speed all the way to stiff peaks. You want to make sure that the cream is at least 35% in fat content or it will not whip properly and end up deflating. When it's ready, take your pastry cream out of the fridge, put it in a large bowl and lightly whisk it to loosen it. Now for the fun part, we're gonna start combining the two mixtures. Add about a quarter of the whipped cream to the pastry cream and very gently mix it in using a whisk. Then we're going to switch to a spatula and gently fold in the rest of the whipped cream in 2 or 3 times. Do it slowly, do it gently so that the whipped cream doesn't deflate. When it's all been incorporated, your crème légère is ready. It is perfectly light and fluffy, but still has a delicious richness and flavor of pastry cream. It is stiff enough to pipe, although without a stabilizer such as gelatin, it will not hold its shape for very long. So it's a great cream to use as a filling inside pastries and tarts, though my favorite way to use it is inside choux buns to make choux à la crème. If you want to read the fully written recipe, including lots of extra tips and information to succeed at home, make sure to check it out on my blog.